I'll give you an example. Yamaha. Suzuki's, no question about it. Hondas. You don't even know what it is when it goes by. It'll surprise you. Harley Davidson's. Harley Davidson.